You're already spending hours online. Why not learn a language while you're at it? Highlight any word or phrase and get an instant translation. Listen to the correct pronunciation.
Assimiler.
And, to keep the word, save it to your collection by choosing from suggested translations or adding your own. Turn on double-click mode and auto-voiceover to learn more with fewer clicks.
Sens. Cadence. Mémoire.
Supports over 50 languages. You'll definitely find yours. Watching YouTube? Turn on our subtitles and translate words right from the video. Reading a PDF? Books, articles, documents, everything translates just as easily. Saved words sync with the website. Review with flashcards. Practice with the Smart Trainer on any device. Word by word. Learn a language without leaving your favorite content. Try it free